What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you something about this printer. Sometimes the printer might show you that you replace the toner correction unit, okay? And sometimes you don't know where to find that toner correction unit. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to access the toner correction unit, okay? On this printer, you open this door here, okay? You press here your fingers and open this cover, okay? Once you open it, you press, you see this one here, this blue labeling here, you open it, okay? This is the toner correction unit here, okay? You press here to eject it, okay? Now on this toner correction unit, you have a door here, like a hole here. You just remove this lock, okay? Bend this lock and remove it and adjust it. So this is what you do to empty it. You just slide this one to open to create an opening here and remove the toners. Thank you.